I love going outdoors, staying connected with great Mother Nature, and staying connected with family and friends. I love sharing my adventures, but I've realized that it's really hard to get access to electricity to stay connected outdoors. The thing is, today's mobile devices use significantly less power than traditional consumer electronics. So one day, I came up with the idea, what if we could convert every energy resource into personal power? I want to introduce you to Estream. It's a portable water power generator. It converts any type of running water into stored energy. You can get personal on-demand power with nothing but water energy. This is how it works. Remove the cover. Unfold the turbines and lock them. Hook and release Estream into running water. Let it spin freely to generate electricity. And it charges the built-in battery. It takes approximately 4.5 hours to fully charge one Estream, which can charge up to 3 smartphones, GoPros, or tablet PCs 2 times faster than charging through an outlet. You can also use it as a lantern with 4 different modes, even underwater. Estream works well even in weak current or behind a kayak, and regardless of the weather or time of day. It fits perfectly into any size backpack. It's ideal for use while you enjoy camping, fishing, kayaking, biking, or any other outdoor activities.
72's outer shell features beautiful, waterproof, and extremely durable tarpaulin. This material is so airtight, the bag can even be used as a flotation device. An additional waterproof pocket on the back protects and secures important documents and electronics. And the 2 hip pockets have enough space for today's largest smartphones. Both shoulder straps feature flashlight mounts for hands-free lighting.
And the flashlight is 100% waterproof.
The adjustable sternum strap features an integrated emergency whistle. Opening the airtight roll top reveals a military-grade canvas insert with a hard exoskeleton. This insert features backpack straps to provide additional carrying capacity by freeing up the external bag when needed.
The ACPE plastic inserts can be removed and attached to your feet to form snowshoes, slings,
and a variety of other uses.
Yeah, we can get a helicopter. That sounds awesome.
Opening the insert reveals over 30 tools that are designed to work together to protect you in thousands of situations.
Each product has been hand-selected by our team of experts based on its quality, necessity, and ease of use.
The goggles are lightweight, sturdy, yet big enough to fit over a pair of prescription glasses.
The RZ M2 mask is unparalleled in its class. Its lightweight, slim design features a full mesh body construction while filtering 99.9% of everything you'll breathe. The Eaton FRX is an AM/FM radio, flashlight, phone charger, and emergency weather radio all in one. It charges through solar, its integrated crank, or simply plugging it into the wall before you leave home.
The Sawyer Mini water filter is rated 0.1 micros absolute. It weighs 2 ounces and filters up to 100,000 gallons of water.
And the included Nalgene water bottle comes printed with custom instructions and measurements on when and how much to drink in an emergency situation. Datrex emergency rations are all natural with no preservatives and taste like a sugar cookie. The high level of protein is certified to keep contents fresh for a minimum of 5 years.
The included knife comes with a serrated edge and a magnesium flint, guaranteeing you'll never be caught without a way to make fire again.
And most importantly, clear and simple instructions that help the most novice user get through any situation. 95% of survival situations are resolved in the first 72 hours. But what you do in those first 72 hours can mean the difference in life and death for you and your family. Our $70,000 goal allows us to start this company and build products to make the world a safer place for everybody.
We've already began production, so we're going to guarantee the first 500 orders by the holidays.
The 72 is the world's first fully integrated survival system. and we hope you'll add one to your home, car, or office. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Live prepared.
This is the Bear Grylls Survival Belt from Gerber. It's a one-size-fits-all belt made of heavy-duty nylon webbing. The buckle twists off to reveal a small, water-resistant compartment that holds a compact fishing kit. On the underside, there's a mirror to signal for help, and on the reverse, there's a small flathead and Phillips driver in case you find yourself in need of tools. Also, there's a hidden zipper compartment to hold the Bear Grylls Priorities of Survival or matches. This is the Bear Grylls Survival Belt.
This is the Schrade SCH-501S EDC folding knife, one of two models in the SCH-501 series. With its handsome appearance, the SCH-501S is crafted to provide versatile cutting power in an everyday carry folding knife. With a 3.2-inch drop point blade of black, stone-washed high-carbon 9CR18 Movi stainless steel, the SCH-501S rides at the ready, just a pocket reach away. Quickly deploy the blade by your choice of either the index flipper or the ambidextrous thumb knobs. Once open, the index flipper will serve as a finger guard. A steel liner lock helps to secure the blade when in the fully open position. The hollow ground, blistering sharp edge comes to a hardened point, able to pierce an array of materials, slice, and chop with a fine edge. When even more cutting power is needed, bring the serrated portion of the blade into play. Abundant jimping on both the top and contoured underside of the G10 handle, combined with its textured surface to provide an all-weather gripping surface. And the stone-washed steel inserts extend the vintage theme throughout the knife's length. With your thumb, Move the liner lock to the side and rotate the blade into the handle to close the SCH-501S. In an emergency, use the glass breaking tip at the handle's base. A lanyard slot is available to provide extra security if desired, or use the steel clip to attach the knife to your pocket or gear. An everyday carry with cutting power to spare, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH-501S EDC folding knife. Available SCH-501 folding knife models are the SCH-501 with drop point blade and the SCH-501S with drop point partially serrated edge.